Good morning, viewers all over the world. In summary of today's lecture, here is the Balanya today, spirituality, and why called ones cannot display special powers when government comes after them. And we are here to explain so many things for you, that no matter who you are in the spiritual realm, even if you are a higher angel, as long as you accepted to reincarnate here as human for a purpose, then as long as you accepted, you already subjected yourself to the natural laws. You already accepted to submit your powers to the constituted authority of your state or your country. Therefore, Ogbuefi no physical. Ogbuefi no physical. Challenge you spiritually, a man of but he cannot confront the constituted authority, because even Chukwu asks you to be respectful to your king and to your rulers. Yes, I will give you some certain called ones all over the world, because once you be able to have large followers, make an impact, you are called one in your own capacity. And I will mention many called ones that suffered persecution and in many ways, yet they did not disappear or do something or fight the government. So for some of you that are ignorant and be expecting Libya to fight government, you lack knowledge. Even here, Jesus, when it was a time to arrest him, did he fight? He did not fight. Did he refuse arrest? He did not refuse arrest. He surrendered himself to the constituted authority. Then why are you now expecting a Libya to challenge the constituted authority? You are just only showing you are ignorant. Even even some great minds, like the founder Buddha subjected himself to constituted authority when authority came after him. He has millions of followers all over the world. Is it Abroshin, the founder of Great Message? He has millions of members all over the world. When the German government fight against him, he moved and located to Austria, Vomperberg Mountain, and settled there. To date, he has millions of members all over the world, even including Nigeria. That he did not fight government does not mean that he is not a called one or he doesn't have powers. You must have heard about the Indian Guru Rampal Ji Maharaj. Guru Rampal Ji Maharaj has millions of members all over the world. But when government persecuted him, even while in jail, his disciples and followers keep increasing. That does not mean that it doesn't have powers. Even in Nigeria, many called ones has powers, but either you face natural consequences or you face physical consequences or persecution. That does not mean that it doesn't have power. The founder of Lord Choosing, he will never say he's not a called one. Yes. You cannot even judge him because you are not the one that called him. If there's anything he did not do right, leave it to him, between him and the person that called him. Because he lost his wives and you are making mockery of him. You are displaying your ignorance. As long as you are here in the mortal, you face challenges the mortal face. And some of these challenges, some of them are facing, is what they already are known that will happen to them even before accepting to reincarnate on earth. Allegedly, the same thing with the founder of, I think, Mountain on Fire, that the wife did not put to bed. I think I had something like that in the past. And somebody was like, if he's a called one, why is it that he cannot make his wife to conceive? Are you normal? These are challenges of life people normally get. Challenges of life. So, I'm sorry, I'm rounding up. So know it today that you are called one. As long as you're on earth, you must subject yourself to the gross material laws. I'm rounding up. Our father said, na mgbakara ya ama ọzọ mana ọzọ ya. No, it did not say na mgbakara ya ama ọzọ, meaning that kama ihe nwa ya eme odogwu ihe ike mee. ịghọtara ya? So as long as you are here, even if you are called one, mgbakara ya ama gị challenges ya abịa, but you will see triumph, and at the end of the day you wear your crown. The end justify the means. So let's stop in this social media displaying our ignorance. If you see a Dibia that was arrested, he will be talking blah 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 because talk is cheap. Media Willow was invited. You people start making mockery of yourself. He was invited on Saturday. Everyone knows that Saturday's offices don't work fully. He was there on Sunday. Monday, everyone knows that Mondays are here. We do have skeleton services. And Monday he's back to his house. What is wrong with that? So what I'm telling you, let's stop displaying our ignorance, especially on social media. If you want to watch this lecture, today's lecture in full, visit my Ezioku TV on YouTube or my page on Facebook or TikTok. Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu Oraifite. Nwa ajụjụ inwe na nkuzi amaọbụ na ịchọ ka agbara gị afa mmiri emi, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837672. I repeat 0805 7837672. See you tomorrow n'oge awa nke eziokwu. Ọ bụrụ na ọnwa egburu oji ejibe chụ aja, emechaa na ọ ya epu ome. Remain blessed.